The sum of all even numbers from 1 to 361. The sum of all even numbers from 1 to 361. Given number is 361, it is an odd number. If the given number is odd, then n plus 1 by 2 will be odd and n minus 1 by 2 will be even. If the 361 is an odd number, because 361 is an odd number, there will be n plus 1 by 2 odd number and n minus 1 by 2 even number. That means 361 minus 1 by 2, that is 180. Therefore, sum is equal to n into n plus 1, that is 180 into 181. 180 into 181. So answer will be C, 32,580. Answer will be C, 32,580. Question number 33. The sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 180. Since 180 is an even number, there will be n by 2 odd and n by 2 even. Since 180 is an even number, 1 by 2 odd, n by 2 even. So, there will be n by 2, that is 180 by 2, that is 90 even numbers. They are asking odd number, so 90 odd number. Then they are asking the sum will be n square. So 90 square will be the answer, that is 8,100. The sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 51. The sum of all odd numbers from 1 to 51. Since 51 is an odd number, 51 minus n by 2 odd, 51 plus n by 2 odd, 51 minus n by 2 even numbers. That is, there will be 26 odd numbers. 26 square. This comes to 26. 26 square. That is 676. So answer will be 676. The number in the unit place in 729 to the power 59. How to find out the unit place? For that there is a rule. Write down the rule. First we start with 2. 2 power 1, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8, 2 power 9, 2 power 10. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 5 is 32. In 32, the unit place is 2. 2 power 9 is 512. In 512, the unit place is 2. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 5 is 32. In 32, the unit place is 2. 2 power 9 is 512. In 512, unit place is 2. So, after 4 places, the unit place is repeating. As far as 2 series are concerned, after 4 places, the series are repeating. Now you take for 3 series. 3, 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4, 3 power 5, 3 power 6, 3 power 7. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 5 is 243, so unit place is the same. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 5 is 243, unit place is the same. So for 3 series also, after every 4 places, the unit place is the same. For 3 series also, after every 4 places, the unit place is the same. 4 square, 4 cube, 4 power 4, 4 power 5, 4 power 6. So for 4 series, 4 power 4 is 4 power 1 is 1, 4 cube is 64, unit place is 4, 4 to the power 5 is 1024, unit place is 4. So as far as 4 series are concerned, after every 2 places, the unit place is the same. For 2 series, 3 series, after every 4 places, the unit place is the same. For 4 series, after every 2 places, unit place is the same. For 5 series, 5 cube, 5 cube, 5 power 4, 5 power 5, 5 power 6. Fixed. 6 square, 6 cube, fixed. 7 square, 7 cube, 7 square, 7 cube, 7. So after 4 places, the unit place is the same. 8 square, 8 cube, 8 power 4. After 4 places, the unit place is the same. For 2 series, 3 series, 7 series, 8 series. After every 4 places, the unit place is the same. Now for 9 series, 9 square, 9 cube, then 9 power 4, 9 power 5. So after every 4 places, the unit place is the same. So for 3 series, for 2 series, 3 series, 7 series, 8 series, 9 series. After every 4 places, the unit place is the same. For 4 series, after every 2 places, unit place is the same. For 5 series and 6 series, it is fixed. This you have to remember. Now come to question number 35. 729 to the power 59. The number in the unit place 729 to the power 59. Power is 59. As far as 9 series are concerned, after every 2 places, the unit place is the same. So divide by 2. So remainder is 1. If the remainder is 1, unit place is 9. If the remainder is 2, unit place is 1. The remainder is 3, unit place is again 9. So answer is remainder is 1. So that is 9. So answer is 9, that is multiple choice A. The unit place in the number 127 to the power 127. As far as 7 series are concerned, after every 4 places, unit place is the same. Remainder is 3. If the remainder is 1, unit place is 7. If the remainder is 2, unit place is 9. If the remainder is 3, unit place is 3. So answer is 3. That is multiple choice B. The number in the unit place 5427 641. 5427 to to the power 641. If the remainder is 1, unit place is 7. So answer is 7, that is multiple choice C. The number in the unit place 157 to the power 157 into 159 to the power 159. As far as 7 series are concerned, after every 4 places, unit place is the same. The remainder is 1, unit place is 7. If the unit place is 9, it is 9. Now multiply these two. 9 into 7, 63. So unit place is 3. So answer is 3. 39 you can do yourself. Answer is C. 40 also you can do. Same pattern. The number in the unit place when 781 into 325 into 497 into 243. 781 into 325 into 497 into 243. 1 into 5 into 7 into 3. 5 into 1, 5, 105. 105 unit place is 5. So answer is 5, multiple choice C. Question number 41. If the places of the last 2 digits of a 3-digit number are interchanged, a new number greater than the original number by 54 is obtained. The difference between the last 2 digits of that number is. If the places of the last 2 digits of a 3-digit number. So 3-digit number. Question number 41. So 3-digit number 100x plus 10y plus z. 3-digit number 100x plus 10y plus z. 100x minus this is 9z last 2 digits are interchanged. That is 10z plus y. So this will cancel. Then this will be 10z 9z minus 9y. 9z minus 9y will be 54. So z minus y is equal to 54. Z minus y is equal to 6. Z minus y is equal to 6. So answer is 6, multiple choice C. Question number 42. If the sum of two numbers is 100 and their difference is 37, the difference of their squares. Sum of two numbers is 100. X plus y is equal to 100. X minus y is equal to 37. Therefore, x square minus y square is equal to, multiply these two. That is 3700. So answer is 3700.